Let's learn how to change the audio language in YouTube videos. If you want to watch videos in another language but don't know how to change it, you don't have to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. This process is the same on both Android and iPhone. The first thing you need to check is whether your YouTube app is updated by going to the App Store or Google Play Store. The next thing you need to do is open the YouTube app. Once you've opened YouTube, you need to find the video for which you want to change the language. When you've found it, enter the video by clicking on it. Once you're in the video, you need to click on the Settings option, which is located in the top right corner of the screen. After clicking on Settings, a menu with several options will open. You need to click on the Audio Track option, which is the fourth one down. When you click on that option, a page will open with a list of all the languages you can switch to. But keep in mind that some videos will have more and some will have fewer languages available. If the video you want to watch doesn't have the language you want, you can turn on captions, as captions offer more options. To do this, click on Captions and a page will open where you need to select the language. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.